In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Wix Studio. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your web design skills or an experienced user aiming for more structured content, understanding how to create subpages can be incredibly useful. A subpage is simply a page that falls under a main menu item, creating a neat structure that can enhance the user experience on your website. To begin first, navigate to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Otherwise, boom, you won't have access to the editor. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard. From here, click on your site's menu. You should see an option labeled Manage Menu. This is where all your menu items and subpages will live, and it's essential to familiarize yourself with this area because it's the control center for your site navigation. In the Manage Menu section, you'll notice that your pages are listed in a hierarchical manner. Here's where you select the menu you wish to modify. Click on the three dots to the right of the menu item you're interested in. These three dots represent additional options, allowing you to further customize your menu settings. Clicking here will enable you to make changes to that particular menu item, such as editing, deleting, or moving it. After clicking on the three dots, look for the option Move Under in the drop-down menu. Clicking Move Under lets you rearrange the order of your menu items and set up a hierarchy that shows which pages are subpages. By doing this, you essentially drag a menu item to exist underneath another as a subpage. Select a menu item from your list, click Move Under, and drag it under another page that you want it to be a child of. This simple act of dragging creates the hierarchy you need for subpages. If, for instance, you have a menu labeled Services and you want individual services to appear as subpages under this menu, simply click, drag, and release each service page beneath the Services main menu item. You should see an indentation that confirms its sub-level page status. Take your time to arrange the menu items until they are in the order and hierarchy that makes sense for your site structure. This not only improves user navigation, but also helps search engines understand the relationship between the pages on your website, potentially boosting your SEO. So, there you have it, a straightforward process to create subpages in Wix Studio. Structuring your website this way can lead to a more organized and professional-looking site. Whether you're showcasing your services, products, or just information, using subpages wisely can play a huge role in how effectively visitors navigate and engage with your content. Now that you know how simple it is, why not go ahead and try it out for yourself? Thanks for watching, and happy designing!